Hi guys, welcome to the chickens channel. Should we go and see them? Let's go. So this one is clean up their food. Well, there's no point in having their feed out because they'll be going to bed soon in the next 2-3 hours. I can see you come in. They're there. I can see Ange the Pange. Put there. It's their feeder. Very fun. It's alright. Is that nice? Snacks for the girls. Look at Gertie. Look at her. She'll be laying soon. What are you doing? You're not having a poo, are you, Olive? Hello, Ange. She's a sweet girl, aren't you? Yum yum. My 5 chickens enjoying their snack. And I did clean up their poo and things this morning. About 10ish. Are you eating that? Berries off this bush thing. This lovely bush. You like your food, do you? Ange. Hello. Beep beep beep. To get them in, I'll just grab some corn and slum that in there for them. Yum yum. Maybe about 3:30. Yeah, 3:30. Do you like your snacks? Hello. You're very pretty, aren't you? Do you eat? Well, if you eat, I don't mind you eating. What is it? He doesn't look bad for a 7 or 8-year-old, does he? What is it? Come on then. What else? Look good. Not too sure about that, are you, Chrissy? Chrissy P. I'll do all your health checks as well. They always get their health checked, don't you? Make sure you're healthy. Hi guys, thank you for watching the chickens channel. Subscribe, like, share, and hope you like it. See you in the next one. Bye guys.